Hello and welcome to Recipes and More. Today I am going to share with you a recipe made with leftover idlis. I will show you how to make the most humble idli into an amazing evening snack for kids. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. I have some leftover idlis here. What I am going to do, I will first roast this on a tawa with some oil so that it becomes nice and brown on both sides. When one side is done, I will flip the idlis and cook the other side also to make it brown. Make sure to pour some oil in between. Now the idlis have roasted well. I will turn off the flame, cool it slightly before cutting them into smaller pieces. Now to prepare the Manchurian, what we need is 1 green chilli, tiny piece of ginger finely chopped, few cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped and 1 small capsicum finely chopped. So these are the ingredients which we need for the Manchurian. In addition, I will be using 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce and salt to taste. Now I have taken an open pan in which I have added some oil. First, I will put the green chilies, ginger and garlic and roast it lightly. Roast till the garlic flavor is released and then add the onions. Now the garlic has started to brown and I am adding the onions. Saute the onions till the onions become soft. You can add some salt for quick cooking. If you want this extra spicy, you can add some pepper as well, pepper powder. It will make the dish extra spicy, but if you are preparing for kids, add very little chili. Now the onions are roasted, they are cooked and soft. I will be adding the capsicum. Capsicum needs to remain a little crunchy. Do not overcook the capsicum, otherwise it will lose its color. Saute it for about a minute and then we will add the sauce. Now the capsicum is also done. I am going to add 1 spoon of soya sauce. And some tomato sauce as well. Tomato sauce is optional. This is only to balance the spiciness. If you want it to be really spicy, add only the soya sauce. Don't add the tomato sauce. Now give it a nice mix and then we will add the idlis. I have cut the idlis into quarters. Mix it gently. Turn off the flame because the idli is already cooked. We don't want to heat it again. We just want to give it a nice stir. If you have some fresh coriander leaves, you can garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot. This is a great snack for kids when they come home from school and they do not want to eat the same boring idli which they ate in the morning. So now Our idli Manchurian is ready to serve.